and as you can see, it works perfectly. First of all, make a Python file with Python ideally, then use these commands in your command prompt to install the following libraries. Then import all the libraries. And now let's make a window and the main loop, and now the button which will be used to start the click function. And now let's make the click function. And then add it to a while loop. And also we have to add a delay function here. To test this program, I'll use this game which is called Autoclicker. In this game, you just click and click. Now instead of clicking it manually, we'll use this program. And as you can see, it works perfectly. And you can press Q to stop the program. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Now watch this video to see how I made a game in under 1 hour.